So many times what happens, we always say why, we are not able to manifest. Why we are not able to manifest? Suppose if you take a house, there is fully mess, and you don't have room to walk around, and there you're going and putting the perfume, and you're putting flowers, means flowers, and the essence what you put it is the affirmation. Does the house look good? Does the house look clean? No, right? First, what we have to do is we have to first go and clean the clutter. And once we clean the clutter, then the affirmation will start working. We use our mind. We have subconscious mind, conscious mind, and super conscious mind. We use our conscious mind only 5%. Maybe for 24 hours, 3 hours, or 1 hour. Morning we say, oh, I want this, I want that, I want that. But after that, the subconscious mind is the only one who takes over. And whatever it is there in your mind, it starts meaning. So how many of you have an overthinking? Let me do this today. Oh, no. Let me do tomorrow. Then after that you say, oh yeah, see, she's very mean. Oh, no, she's very nice. I hate this job. I think it's okay. I'll quit this job. Maybe I'll stay this. So what is happening is every time there is so much overthinking and messages to universe is trying to process it every time. So you'll go to the Amazon and you want to order it. First you put the order for your, like one uh, some phone case. You'll take out the order. Then again you place some other order. Then again you said no, I don't want this. Then you remove that. Then you put the other order. So they say manifestation doesn't work at all. The manifestation works every time. Only the thought we put, the emotion we have, and the action we take. And that is what brings the outcome. And many times what we do, for example, morning you woke up, you are so cranky, the whole day went wrong, the coffee spilled, and things did not go the way you wanted, right? What was the emotion you had it? What was the thought you had it? And that started manifesting because the thought and the emotions, and then you take the action, and then it starts coming into you. How many days you felt so nice? Today's the best day, because the emotions in the morning when you wake up, it was very calm, and you were balanced, and there was no overthinking. Then things started being smooth. Whatever we feel, whatever we think, every time the law of attraction is working and it's bringing it to the surface. The only thing, like somebody says, okay, this mind like law of attraction is not working. Like as if you're telling that the gravity is not working because every day we walk on the floor, never change. It's only the way we think. And we are always, sometimes we are confused. Always we think, oh, okay, I cannot do this. Oh, no, no, I think it's not good. So we are always confusing the universe, what we want, and we are not given a clarity what exactly we want. And the trust issue. There is no accident whatsoever happen in our life. There is not at all. What we keep repeating, that is what start bringing in our life. And every time we focus on the third person, oh, he is not right. What he's doing is incorrect. How many of us we feel? All of us feel the same. We always feel other person is
Anita, I think your video froze.
Even there is no voice, right?
Yeah,
low.
yeah, your video is frozen and can't hear anything.
Now,
No,
No, we can hear you, but there's no change in video though.
oh, you cannot see me.
no.
Okay, let me log off and log in. Now,
I can see. We can see you.
okay. Sorry, I think there was something went wrong and. Mm. So that is how the manifestation work, because there is a lot of distraction. We do not have the clarity what we want. We order something, then we again will take it out. And like, so universe is always listening to us, always listening, but only we are not able to focus on one thing. Every time we like we always have lot of questions, that we are not sure what we want. And journaling is the best way. So first thing we have to do is mind reset. That is the first thing. And how we can do is breath work or awareness. That is the main thing. Then next session we'll talk about like how to be aligned, and then after that how to go to superconscious mind. We'll talk about it. Today we'll end here and we'll start meditation. Breath work is only tool that can clear your mind. Now whatever the garbage we have, like subconsciously we stored so many things. Distraction, 99% distraction. We are not clear what we want. Every time we are like not sure, we keep asking, okay, this is or that. Then every time you say, why is my life is so bad? uh, and many times we feel, oh, I just don't want to live this life. And you said, oh, and you're always feeling lack, always feeling discontent. You feel, okay, oh, my life is not the way I expected. And whatever we keep saying, and that is what will start coming in our life. And we have to be elevated. Our main is, suppose like when doing this meditation, right? First was a thought, then emotion rose. Then I took action. Then I said, okay, let me take action and start doing meditation. Until you don't take action, it will not help. So it's very, very important. So you go somewhere in the restaurant, you go and see something. Oh, you want to buy some food or sweet. You go to the counter and you pay and then you buy. That is the action. So first you had a thought of eating, then you felt the emotion, okay, it's very nice. Then you took an action. You went and bought it. Whatever you feel, and then whatever you know like you want, you have to take action. And you have to stick to that. Okay, then you will go and say, okay, let me take this sweet. I say, oh, no, no, I don't want this sweet. Can you give me samosa? Oh, no, no, I don't want samosa. Can you give me dosa? So this conflict, we bring the conflict to the universe and say, oh, I'm not sure what I want. So it's very, very important for us to be very clear. When you take a action, just hold on it and just go with that. Then you'll get that and you'll eat and you'll enjoy that. So 99% we have so much clutter. Like mindset is first thing we have to do is reset our mind. That we can do with the breath work and the awareness. You understand? Oh, okay. That's why I put like all the ego, 6 egos. Probably today and tomorrow I'll put some more. And please watch that, because understanding that awareness will lighten up a lot of things and heals a lot of our emotions and brings a lot of changes in our life. So over here, I'll conclude. Any questions? We'll continue again next week. So for now, we'll stop here.